Hello, dear customers. How are you? This is Casey from Guangzhou QLQ company. You can see now today I'm in our plastic zipper injection machine workshop, and at my bedside we have a 10 sets machine order from Iran and Bangladesh customers order. And what's the difference between our QLQ machine and other suppliers machine, and why customer choose our machine? The main things is first about the output. This machine output is about 15 shoots per minute. So the speed is standard and the quality is good. And second, we do some changer. If we improve something based on the traditional machine. So what's the difference? First is about the polishing. We add the polishing device on this machine in order to, when the zipper come out, the side without any burr, so it's very smooth and it's good for baby skin. And second, if something is less injection on the zipper taper, and our machine will have a sense to feel it and make the hole punch on the taper, so your worker can see this very clearly and easily. The third thing, we has the automatic fitting system to send the POM material to the material port, I mean the hopper. Okay, so let me show you from this side. See, this here, okay, this is the POM material hopper. So we can say the material port also. Normally, your worker need to put the POM on there by hand, like this way, okay? But now, for our new machine, we add the fully automatic fitting system in order to save your labor cost and make sure the safe for your worker. So if you are interested for our QLQ plastic teeth injection machine, you can contact us. Thank you.